Welcome to the CryptoNest. Alright, so for Coinbase, let's zoom out a little bit. We are at the top of the third wave here. We had an A, overshooting wave B, wave C. This fourth wave, you can see that it went to the limit. Let's remember that it's a diagonal, so Coinbase is always making an ABC. This was an ABC for the wave 1. This was an ABC for the wave 3. And so, yeah, for the fifth wave, it's going to do an ABC as well. So something like that. So A, possibly this is starting maybe today the B and eventually going to the C. And the targets for this fifth wave, anywhere between 567 and, yeah, I know this is a lot, $1,300, but that's far away. So let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, now I do have two scenarios, but I mean the outcome doesn't change much. So 1, 2, this was the third, this is the fourth and the fifth. If I do that, we did reach the 0.618 fib extension when I combine from the beginning of the wave 1 through the end of the third wave to the end of the fourth wave. This is the limits, actually the targets, and we did reach the first one. We can go even higher. Second way of calculating this, I could say this was a huge A, this was the B, and now it's working on a C. With that, well, at least we should reach the 0.786, that's about $400. And 1-to-1 ratio, ideally, wave A, wave C, 461. After that, in both scenarios, we will need an ABC, A, B, C, depending on how high the price is going to go. If we take the data up to now, you can see that today we're having a strong reaction to the price, big pullback, right? And I would say, can you make another extension? Yes, it can. Actually, okay, let me put the fib first. If we lose more, I would say, do I still need this one? Maybe I don't need it. Let me remove some. If the price goes below the 0.5, I would lean on the scenario that we initiated the correction. Also, let me check here. I think that's a little bit too far. Just want to add the 0.382. This would be a nice level if we're initiated this correction. This could be very possible that the A wave, it could go near the 0.382 and do something like that. We shall see. This is a possible scenario, or some people will say wishful thinking, but for sure, a correction is incoming because we had a big move to the upside. So nothing surprising there. We had pushed so much high that the price need to breathe in, breathe out. Well, now it's breathing out. Can it push higher? Yes, it can, but it's we cannot go top to the right in one shot. So yeah, as you can see, market, it push higher, it breathe, push higher, breathe, skyrocket, breathe, right? And I'm expecting that this is based on this movement. Look at here. It did a huge gap, and he took his breath for a long time. And here now, this was a spectacular skyrocket movement. So I'm expecting maybe a big pullback here. And let's not forget, 61% up the price. That's amazing. Alright, so hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.